We are pleased to show you the 2006 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power driver's seat, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, dual airbags, auto express down window, adjustable headrests, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.